Hello and welcome. Sexual healing. This is an ebook that I've written that it's the complete guide, not a book, a guide to overcome sexual problems. Okay? So when we talk about sexual problems, we talk about a lot of, okay, it's wide and it does not happen to women or men alone. It happens to anyone, and it can happen to anyone. So how can you overcome them? So in my guide, you get a training manual that you get introduction, you get to understand sexual dysfunction, what they are. You get to understand relationship issues related to sex, what people go through in their relationship that's related to sex, emotional and psychological impacts of the issues, addressing the root cause, what is causing whatever you're going through, okay? Strategies for overcoming sexual dysfunction and building healthy, fulfilling sex life, okay? Those are the things that you will learn from this guide. So I'll just go through the introduction a little bit so that you can understand what you're getting. You're getting. So welcome to Sexual Healing, the complete guide to overcoming sexual problems. Whether you are facing personal challenges or want to improve your intimate relationship, this guide is for you. Sexual problems can be awkward and frustrating, but you're not alone, and there are solutions. Okay, imagine being free from anxiety that clouds your intimate moments and the emotional barriers that hinders your connection with your partner. This guide is your roadmap to recovering sexual health and joy. We will explore the root causes and sexual dysfunction, their impact on relationships, and provide practical, tested, and cutting-edge solution. With experts inside, real-life success stories, and over 125 practical exercises, this guide will help you transform your journey from struggle to satisfaction. So to get ready to reclaim your vibrant, fulfilling sex life you deserve. Okay? So I'll just leave you with this one quote. Sexual healing involves great personal effort and it is an ongoing journey. That's Wendy Maltz who said that. So you're not alone. Do not think that you are alone when it comes to sexual problems. So many people are going through it, and you don't have to be ashamed of it. You don't have to be ashamed at all, okay? So in any case, just get the guide in the description below. And if you need one-on-one counseling call, or you can just book from the link below so that I can be able to see that you've booked and I can help you, okay? So get your guide today. See you next time.